Alright, I'm going to finish up with the watch list for you. I got a couple more left. This is AIZ. What I'm looking here is I got one, two, and this is the third touch of this downward trend line here, sort of making this wedge pattern. What I like on this, we have the RSI ticking up yet again. We have a cross on the stochastics after we've pulled back. And we got this nice here touch on this trend line. So as I zoom in here on this chart for you, I'm looking for this trend line to actually break and get some buying here in the stock. The first target would be the highs right around here, which would line up with somewhere around 29.50. On the chart here, nice couple percent, 3-4% on another breakout here. We did have some nice consolidation in a breakout, so this would be a nice continuation move up through this trend line. What I'm looking at next is AKS steel. What I like in this AKS is I like how we're kind of holding around this area, right around this 21.50, kind of consolidating right here on this trend line here. As I did draw in, I used the close right there and around the high. A trend line, just again, I'm liking the area, as I said, area, because trend lines are meant to be drawn, in my opinion, with a crayon, so again, area. I do think this one does have some potential to move higher, as long as we get another cross on the stochastics and some buy volume coming in here. This thing, for me, would only trigger if we got to move above 21.25, and that, sorry, not 21.25, 22.25 on this one. And that's my opinion will help us break out. We'll break out of the highs of Friday and potentially move us up higher. Next thing I'm looking at is Qualcomm, QCOM.